A very warm welcome to South Africa and the 8th Theranostic World Congress.
First, I would like to extend our deepest appreciations to all of you. I mean, every single one of you here.
I am deeply impressed to see how far our field has come and how our community continues to grow.
Just a bigger family, friendship, and this is the key of success of our field.
To see where we can make an impact for the patients, and I think this is what this conference is all about.
A warm hello from Cape Town, South Africa. Today is the last day of the 8th TWC Congress.